Hello, hello, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing making a bow. Oh, come on. Oh shoot. I have my animation over there still. Figured I might use this in one, so grab. See, just had a little bit of a thing going on. All right. So we'll see how this goes. I've never made anything like this before. Seems to be a common theme. Then we go, I like the look of that, but it's not quite how I thought of it. So let's actually go back. Here's what we'll do instead. Let me think this through. Right, I think I've got what I wanted to do. I added a mirror modifier, and then if we do this, nope. And something like that. I don't like all the vertices. I don't like how like perfect it is. I want to make like something that's kind of imperfect. But let's see how this looks if I okay. All right, so what I did this time is I halved the number of vertices. So then maybe it's a little bit more flexible. So let's take these edge ones and kind of, actually, you know what? Let's get the general shape first. So that's going to look like that, and we're going to extrude scale GX. No. This. Nope. F3. Extrude. Scale. Extrude. GX. Scale. Still not quite. I wanted it more, less vertices, more pointy. Not like that per se, but I mean, it doesn't look terrible. Let's just work with this for now. And we're gonna go, let's delete all these edges. Then we're gonna take these vertices and kind of move them in, kind of scatter them, just so it's a little bit more narrow, more like an oval shape rather than a circle, but kind of rigid, like a like it's actually wooden, kind of like that maybe. Actually, let's scale that down, then move these inward. Let's move the vertexes inward. That, then here we'll go Alt. Let's actually delete this. Edges. Right, we'll extrude that. Scale GX. Extrude GX. Extrude GX. Oops. GX. GZ. Merge at center. Sure, but then this is too thick, not a problem. Then we're gonna go. So it looks more like, actually, hold on. I might not need this. That actually looks, now we're talking. A little, but I think what I want to do, vertices, that looked good. But instead, let's actually extrude this a little bit before we go. Jet center. Not like that. I want this to be more hilt-like. Like that, yeah. But then let's move that down. There we go. That's pretty good. And we'll just do a simple. Look at that. A bow. All right, and then let's go. I haven't worked with textures at all yet. Oh, wait, let's try texture paint. Oh, no, that's not going to work. That might take too long. Red. Very rough. We want it very dim. It's our main color. Then let's make a brown. Browns are hard. Make that rough. Right? Go here, 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 here. Sign brown. Sign, we want faces, don't we? Sign brown. And look at that, a simple bow. But I think we can add some texture to it. Ooh, hold on. Let me think this through. Ooh, so I'm gonna go through that again. So can I Control Z? Yes, I can. So I select, open the UV editing, selected my model, press U. I think I did Smart UV Project. I increased the island margin, whatever that means. I haven't learned that yet. And look at that. All right, now we might be able to texture paint. So it doesn't look like I was able to get that working, or at least whatever I did it wrong. Also, outdated tutorials, that doesn't help. But so I guess I wanted to add like, so it looks like the red was like a wraparound type thing. And maybe add some texture to the other parts of it. But other than that, you know, it actually doesn't look that it doesn't look that bad. It's got a little bit, oh, that's weird. Hold on, I want to fix that. Just gonna, actually, look, we can keep a little bit of that curve, but yeah, I guess it's okay. It's not, I wasn't able to get texturing, so I couldn't add, like, paint small details, but not terrible, not terrible. Because that's where we'll leave off for today.